It orbits the Earth in 90 minutes, seeing 16 sunrises and sunsets per day. Weighing in at about 1 million pounds.
With a length of 365 feet,
The International Space Station took 42 flights from the American space shuttles and Russian Proton Soyuz rockets to assemble. As of today, astronauts and cosmonauts have conducted 269 spacewalks since 1998 to assemble, reconfigure, and conduct experiments.
these solar panels produce 75 to 90 kilowatts of energy for the station to power life support, computers, and experiments. 8 miles of wire connect the different parts of the station, where there are 50 computers running 1.5 million lines of code. The station includes 6 sleeping quarters, 2 bathrooms, a gym, and a 360-degree window to observe the Earth.
It orbits the Earth in 90 minutes, seeing 16 sunrises and sunsets per day. It is traveling at 17,500 miles per hour.
This engineering marvel was constructed by 5 space agencies representing 15 countries from around the globe, with the United States being the largest contributor. Support for the U.S. segment is distributed between 4 other space agencies: the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the Canadian Space Agency, the European Space Agency, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency.
The first module of the ISS was launched in 1998 by the Russian Space Agency and was called Zarya. The first US-built component, Node 1, or Unity, facilitated the connecting of different modules. Other US and Russian modules include Zvezda, Destiny, Quest, Poish, Tranquility, and Harmony.
JAXA constructed Kibo, a science module, which is the largest module on the station. The Italian Space Agency contributed the Leonardo module. Named after Leonardo da Vinci, it is a multi-purpose module used primarily for storage. Canadarm2, built by the Canadian Space Agency, is the largest robotic arm on the station, weighing over 4,000 pounds. The space station has been home to 273 people from 21 countries.
Since its launch, the station has seen over 3,000 research investigations, done by over 100 countries. This state-of-the-art microgravity laboratory is unlocking discoveries not possible on Earth.
And it continues to orbit the Earth and provide a platform for science and an example of international collaboration.
Let us know what you thought of this video down in the comments section. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and a share. And follow STEM in 30 on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.